Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, and I'm coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's market update report, I kind of want to go over Lucas and Upperwood counties. This includes Lucas County, Perrysburg, Northwood, Rossford, and Lake Townships, and the overall impact that we're seeing on the market today. And right now, the market trend is continuing to indicate a seller's market as we're seeing a decreasing amount of new listings, while also at the same time we're also seeing increase in the amount of closed sales and pending sales in the market. This of course is driving average and median home sale prices up, and these numbers right here are starting to converge on one another, which means that the low level, the floor for what houses are selling for in this area is increasing to the point where it's meeting the average threshold. So most people that are buying in the price point that average sales fall within this market. Overall, again, new listings not happening the way that we should be seeing in a normal market. This is not a normal market, folks. If you're a seller, it's a great time to be you because we can get you top dollar for your home. Pending sales continue to increase, as do closed sales, and days on market continue to dwindle down just because there's no inventory. This is causing average sales to go up by almost 20% year over year from last year. Currently, we're sitting at about 1.9 months worth of inventory, and in this market, we should really be sitting between 4 to 6 months of inventory for there to be equilibrium. So what this means is if you're a seller and you're priced well and your home is staged well and you've got the marketing piece down 100%, chances are we will be seeing multiple offers for your house, even though this isn't even the busy time of the year yet. What this means is if you're a buyer, please try to take advantage of the low interest rates right now and try to take advantage of the fact that not all buyers are out and about thinking about buying houses. When we get closer to the spring and summer markets, you're going to see an even crazier market than what we're seeing right now. So if you can try to make a deal on something, I would try to make a deal now. In Lucas County specifically, we're seeing new listings fall by almost 8%. This is beating the average for Lucas and Northern Wood County. However, pending and closed sales are beating the average for Lucas and Northern Wood County in Lucas County. So what this means is if you're a Lucas County resident and you're selling a house, you're actually one of the highest performing counties in Northwest Ohio in terms of how quickly your home has appreciated year over year. 1.7 month supply of inventory, again, is not enough for Lucas County. We're down almost 40%. So if you have been thinking about selling a home, do everybody in Northern Wood County and Lucas County a favor by listing now so we can try to start meeting the demands of the market. Here's kind of the effect of the median sale price over the past just year alone. We're seeing a huge spike straight up, and this is the trend that's been continuing since 2013, so nothing new here. Anybody that thinks that, oh, this is a bubble and it's going to burst, probably not going to happen. Sorry to burst your bubble on that thinking, but likely not going to happen. Folks, it's normal for real estate to appreciate. That's what it does. It follows the rate of inflation. Usually, sometimes it beats the rate of inflation, especially if you're taking out money that's below the rate of inflation right now, which most people are doing. They're leveraging themselves to beat inflation. It's a great time to be a buyer, even though we're starting to see real estate go up, because that real estate should continue on that trend in the foreseeable future. If you're thinking about moving to Wood County, we're seeing even fewer listings, but the rate of new listings is not nearly as severe as Lucas right now. Closed sales are increasing by 5.7%, pending sales by 23%. So this number right here, eventually we're going to run out, folks. There just won't be that many houses for sale. Hopefully building will start to take the place of this, and we'll start seeing new constructions releasing some of this demand that we have. And until that happens, this market will likely go unchanged for a very, very long time. Even if all the builders started today and did nothing but building for the next few years, we're still about 3 to 5 years out before we can see an equilibrium point to meet demand. And the reason for that right now is because we have 4 generations actively in the workforce for the first time in our history. Our population has not gone down, it is going up. In fact, millennials, the millennial generation, is the largest subset of people since the baby boomers, which was the next largest gap. And my comical prediction is we're probably going to see an even bigger burst of new births, and I'm going to call them the pandemics because I'll leave that up to your imagination. So, in Wood County, we're seeing a very similar spike, just not as high as Lucas County, because I feel like Wood County, for the most part, is in a price range that's not as attainable for the masses as what you could find in Lucas County. So, on average, we're still seeing the very high spike in median sale price in Wood County, and comparatively speaking, when we look at it compared to everything in Northwest Ohio, those numbers for our area specifically, for Wood counties and for Lucas County, is just astronomical, folks. If you're thinking about selling, it's a great time to be you. If you're thinking about buying, it's also a very good time. We can get you some very, very low interest rates right now. Give me a call. I'll introduce you to one of my lenders. They'll be happy to work with you. In the meantime, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. This is Jim T, and I can be reached at 419-705-5818. That is my cell phone number. You can call or text me at that number, and I will be happy to answer any questions that you may have. But outside of that, it has been a pleasure. I hope you have found this video to be very informative. And if you like what you saw here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button at the bottom of your screen. That way you don't miss any future offerings from Jim T, the Realtor from BG. I thank you so much for watching, folks. It's been a pleasure, and I look forward to serving you soon. This has been Jim T with Key, the Realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. I thank you so much, and you have a great day.